Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class is about verb. We have already learnt about more things like part of a speech is divided into 8 parts. First of all, we was already read like first is noun, then pronoun, then is verb, then is adverb, then adjective, then preposition, and conjunction and interjection at all. So today's topic is the verb. Verb is a very important chapter and the part of speech third number is the verb. So let's start the class. And first of all, I have to say, if you don't see my before video, so please try to see all this video to the given link. So let's get started. First of all, we have to know what is the verb. Verb is the main part of the sentence. First of all, we have to know verb is the main part of the sentence. It shows the two things. It shows only the two things, that is the action of verb and state of being of the subject. First is the action and state of being in the subject. First is the action and second is the state of being in subject. This is the two things that subject shows. Let's take an example, then we can know easily about the action verb. He is running. Here running is the action verb. Ram is a boy. Boy is the state of being of the verb. First of all, I was already said verb shows two things, that is one is action and second is state of being in the subject. So first of all, he is running. Running is the action verb here. Ram is a boy. Boy is a state of being, that is the state of verb. Then we will be learn one. Let's take a sentence example, then we can know the action verb and state of verb easily. First we will take one action verb like children reads book regularly. It means read. Here read is the action verb. Superman is flying in the sky. Flying is the action verb is here. So let's take one example, then we can know state of being in subject. She feels happy today. Feels, it is the state of mind. So it is the state of verb. I am a boy. Am is a state of verb. That is called state of verb. It is the state of being of subject. Am is your verb. It is the state of verb. Then we will be divide the verb. First of all, we have to know how much types of verb are here. First we learnt like verbs. Verb is, what is the verb? Verb is the action verb and the state of verb. Then we will be divided the verbs. First of all, verb is divided into two types. One is main verb. Second is auxiliary verb or helping verb. Helping verb and auxiliary verb both are same. So first we will be discuss main verb. Main verb is the words that actually shows the action or a activity of a subject. It can stand alone without any other verb. Main verb is the verb. It cannot need other verb to existence. Words that actually shows the action or activity. It shows only the action or activity of a subject. It can stand alone. It can stand alone without any other verbs. It can be stands. Example like sleep, eat, run, these are the examples of main verb. Then we will be taken sentence example. Sun shines. Here science is the main verb. Bus stops. Stops here stops is the main verb. Car runs. Run is the main verb is here. These are called the main verbs. Let's again I will be learn you like what is the main verb. Main verb is the verb. It cannot need other verb to stand or existence. Like if we use the main verb, the sentence can be completed. Then we will be discuss about auxiliary verb or helping verb. Auxiliary verb and helping verb both are same. They gives more meaning to the main verb. They cannot stand alone. It means they cannot existing independently without helping or main verb. It needs to stand main verb. If the verb is execute, then main verb is always needed in this auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verbs examples are will, shall, may, can, could, might, must. These are the examples of auxiliary verb. Let's again I will learn you like auxiliary verb. They gives more meaning to the main verb. It gives more meaning to the main verb. They cannot stand alone. It cannot be stands alone. For existing, it need main verb. So it is the example like will, shall, may, can, could, might. These are the examples of auxiliary verb. Let's take one example, then we will be clear about this. Boss may here something need. Like again I will be example like boss may stops. It is the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb cannot be complete the sentence. It needs always main verb. So stops here is the main verb. Main verb is stop. So it complete the sentence. Sita will. Here also need one main verb. Then the sentence will be complete. Sita will. We cannot understand that meaning. So I will add the verb come. Here is main verb is come and will is the auxiliary verb. That's so main verb and auxiliary verb if combined together, then it will be give a complete sense. These are the auxiliary verbs. Then we will be learn about the finite, infinite verb.